Oh, little buddy. Come on, bud. Leave the dart alone. Don't touch the little dart.
It's not a dart.
It's almost a dart. It's just not sharp. Okay, well, buddy, we got to go outside on the porch.
Door open, close that door.
It's time to go outside on the porch, bud. Julian, let's go. Come on, son.
Missed it.